Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, but stopped because you had no idea how much YouTube actually pays? What if you spent months making videos, finally got monetized, and one of your videos hit 1 million views? How much would you actually make? $100? $1,000? $10,000? The truth is, most creators have absolutely no idea, because YouTube doesn't pay every view the same. The same platform, the same algorithm, completely different paychecks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why 1 million views can make one creator just a few $1,000s, while another makes almost 20,000, 10,000 views. Let's start with something small. Look at this video. It got just over 10,000 views, around 1,100 hours of watch time, and only 148 subscribers. Nothing crazy. But now, look at the revenue. It made $138. Not bad for just 10,000 views. Now imagine getting 10 times more views. 100,000 views. Now look at this one. This video didn't even reach 130,000 views. It received around 128,000 views, generated over 9,000 hours of watch time, and gained nearly 2,700 subscribers. Now guess how much it earned? More than $1,200. That's already a huge jump. So maybe YouTube just pays around $1,200 for every 100,000 views, right? Well, not exactly. Same views, completely different money. Take a look at these two videos. The first one reached around 79,000 views and earned just over $200. The second reached around 92,000 views, almost the same number of views, but earned over $500. Very similar view counts, more than double the revenue. Same platform, same YouTube, completely different results. The answer is RPM. RPM stands for revenue per mil, or simply how much YouTube actually pays you for every 1,000 views after everything is calculated. And RPM mainly depends on three things. First, where your viewers live. A viewer from the United States is usually worth much more than a viewer from many other countries. Second, your niche. Finance, business, and education usually attract advertisers willing to pay much higher rates. 1 million views. Now let's look at the number everyone dreams about. A single video crossed 1 million views, generated over 59,000 hours of watch time, and gained more than 11,000 subscribers. Sounds incredible, right? Now here's the part that will surprise you. This video made just $2,561. Not $10,000, not even $5,000, just over $2,500. Now don't get me wrong, that's still good money. But for over 1 million views, it's probably much lower than most people expect. But here's where everything changes. Another 1 million views. This video also crossed around 1 million views, but instead of making $2,500, it generated more than $4,300. Already a huge difference. Now look at another one, around 1 million views again. This time, more than $6,500. And here's another channel, almost 1 million views, nearly $6,600. Same milestone, completely different paychecks. And we're still not done. 2.9 million views. Now look at this, nearly 2.9 million views, over 208,000 hours of watch time, more than 13,000 subscribers, and revenue of almost $19,200. That's almost an 8 times difference. So the next time someone tells you, I got 1 million views, don't ask how many views, ask what's your RPM. I'll see you in the next one.